still at it with the interior, but added some other projects. I had the coil packs come in, so we converted from the single unit to coils over each one of the cylinders. That is done. Got an ECU back from Matt Litke. He unlocked that guy for me, so no more immobilizer on that. Thank you very much for that. Today, specifically, speakers coming out of the car. Going with these Pioneers here. I think it was like 25 RMS, 200 watt. These should be low profile enough to just drop right in, wire up, nothing special. This is just gonna handle decently with the OEM amplifier. I'm not trying to add any more weight to this. I just want some good quality sound, a little something to listen to without having the 20-year-old speakers. I'm gonna start by drilling out the OEM rivets. Little pry with the screwdriver, comes right out. Next, time to clean up the sleeves that are left in here and then widen these holes out for riv nuts. After you've got those rivets taken care of, you'll just want to go ahead and slice your thumb open so that you just get blood all over everything. Next, I'm going to cut a hole for my wire pass through, just using a little hole saw, but I'm also using that to double as a borescope hole. So even though I'm 99% sure I'm going to have all the clearance I need from the glass here, still going to actuate the window and have the borescope to make sure. I'm going to jump back to these mounting holes and size up to fit my M4 riv nut. Riv nut gets threaded on. Press in place. And that's how we'll attach the speakers. With the holes ready, we then take some kill mat. We take our old speaker, cut this piece off, use that as a template, and now we have our anti-rattle ring. The door panel is now ready for the speaker. Wires get passed through. And the speaker gets mounted. Next up is the fit check. Got our borescope ready. That's all the way up. Boom, we're good. Clearance. Love this tool. Next up is the wiring. Snip the original wire harness off, combine the two. This is just a temporary so that I can do a function test, which I just did. No rattling, everything functions as it should. So now take this back apart. We're gonna wrap female and males together, and then we're gonna heat shrink. Good old Harbor Freight. Got the heat shrink in, and now we're just gonna tie this back to the existing door harness, get everything put back together. Door panel is back on, everything is functional. We'll do a sound check here in a second. You're probably wondering about speaker covers. I've got a little figuring out, but I think I'm just gonna mount to the door panel itself. And we've got a rough draft print here. I think that should work. Something about there. I'll have to apologize in advance. I've only got the passenger side speakers in, so we're gonna get a little fuzziness from the driver's side, but here you go. That much more, 10 pounds, one step ahead of it. Vocab, jam, and the stars all irrelevant. Camps and clicks, units, squad crews and clans. Tongues to fuck around. Boom, drum, that pump. There goes that news that again. As for the head unit controlling the Pioneer speakers, we got this Jensen single DIN Bluetooth, strictly Bluetooth, nothing else, very shallow. It weighs about 1/4 pound. I went with that specifically because it was lightweight and low profile.